So here is Spark app. I'm just created an account and I want to do this first tutorial with you. Okay, so here it is, Daily Sparks. Tap on screen and I will walk you through how to get started and share some helpful tips. First here you will see a spark of the day. Create using lots of shapes. Tap the shapes or other spark you can do too. So here you can create from an idea, a playful way to create, play and co-create with friends. So here are some tools. You can draw, you can change the size, you can tap eraser, you can tap draw anytime to switch back to pen, you can change the color, you can zoom in or zoom out, and then snap your canvas back when you finish, and then play starts now. So here you can just create some, shapes like that. So you just created it. It's like a drawing tool. Then you can just save your creation. You can confirm it. It can be visible to everyone. And there you have it. Now you just have your creation done. So that's basically the idea. You have it now. Then you have settings. And that's basically that. So that's the idea. And then this is like a social network. And then, yeah, you can see a lot of creations from other users, which can be pretty advanced actually. So you can see all of this. Creations by some usernames. So you can see like that. So it's pretty cool actually, right? So then you can go to this account, you can follow, unfollow, adventures. This is just like some specific gallery. Top right, you can just report the creator. So this app is actually pretty similar to Shuffles app by Pinterest. Maybe you've heard about it. So search for it as well. Now it doesn't require invite code. So you can just create, Shuffles is like an online canvas. So something like it. So here you can see again, you can create your own. You can get inspiration from discovery board. And then here there is again some explanation. So you see your active co-creations here. Your daily sparks can be found in the canvas. The bell tells you what's new, all your creations and settings. So something like, so it's pretty interesting layout of the app. It can be a bit confusing in the beginning, but there you have it. It's much more fun. And then you just have this. So that's basically the idea. You can create a new avatar. You can go to your creations, to your gallery. If you want, you can delete it. You can say it visible to everyone or not. You can change your username. So all the standard settings. You can also delete your account if you're not happy or if you want to hide your drawings. So there you have it. It's pretty interesting app, pretty cool. I don't know who is Moriah's creations. And remix is that you can actually put your own spin on any creation, which means that basically you can use someone else's picture and then you can just use it and add some additional drawings to it and all of that. So yeah, that's the idea. yeah, people are getting like pretty advanced here. So anyone who you follow basically will appear on your dashboard in the beginning. So again, I follow Sparkly, and then so here you can create from idea, playful way to create, or yeah, so these are the ways to do it. Hope this is all helpful, and yeah, thank you for watching.